Imagine you're trying to export some information from Task Manager to a CSV file. The problem is that you can't find an option to include the command line column, which is crucial for your needs. Fear not, as there is a solution that involves using PowerShell commands to extract the required data and format it exactly how you want. This will allow you to not only capture the command line column, but also the memory usage of each process, providing a comprehensive snapshot of the running processes on your system. Now, let's dive into the solution. By utilizing the getSim instance cmdlet in PowerShell, along with select object and calculated properties, you can fetch the necessary information from the system processes. The provided code snippet selects the process name, memory usage in megabytes, and the command line associated with each process. Sorting the output by memory usage in descending order gives you a clear view of the most memory-intensive processes on your system. This approach provides a more detailed and customizable view compared to the limited options available in Task Manager or the task list command. Building on the previous step, the next part of the solution focuses on presenting the extracted data in a structured format. The formatted output includes the process name, memory usage in megabytes, and a command line for each process. This tabular format allows for easy readability and analysis of the process information. Understanding the memory usage patterns and associated command lines can provide valuable insights into the resource utilization and behavior of various processes running on your system. By following these steps, you can efficiently export and analyze process information that goes beyond what Task Manager offers. In summary, by leveraging PowerShell commands such as getSim instance and select object with calculated properties, you can extract and format process information with ease. This approach allows you to include the command line column and memory usage details in the exported data, providing a comprehensive view of running processes. By following the outlined steps, you can streamline the process of exporting and analyzing task information, empowering you to make informed decisions regarding system resource management. So, go ahead, give it a try, and unravel the hidden insights of your system processes. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. We appreciate your engagement.